Hello class, good morning. So this week let's talk about poultry raising. So when you say poultry, it refers to all kinds of birds raised for food. Chickens are the most popular type of poultry because they are cooked in different dishes and are favorite of many Filipinos. Poultry and fish raising is a common livelihood for the backyard and for large production. The reason behind why chicken is the most popular type of poultry here in the Philippines because um, poultry can be cooked into different dishes. Fried chicken, lechon, adobo, caldereta, and many more. And some of its parts can be sold as well. The liver, the head, the feet, and that's why it is popular type of poultry in our country. So here are the benefits derived from animal raising. First, it provides the family with continuous source of food for the family needs, most especially if you just raise animal for your own consumption. Number two, it is a source of family income. If you have if you raise too much of if you can consume all, then you can sell it and it can be a source of family income. It can be a profitable hobby. Why is it profitable hobby? If your hobby is taking care of chickens, then you can take or you can raise chickens, backyard raising, and later on you can sell it. Okay? It is your hobby. At the same time, you're earning money from it. It can be a form of employment in itself. It can be a form of employment if you will raise more chickens, okay, or let's say it's a large production, okay. You can just spend your time raising chickens, ducks, and other poultry because you can earn money from it. It can contribute to the economic growth of the community if you are raising in the community, so it can be a source of work, a source of employment in your community. You can sell your products. It teaches good traits like industrious perseverance, resourcefulness, and creativity. So these are the traits that you're um you're going to build in yourself while raising animals. It is entrepreneurial activity. It can be the beginning of a big business. So from simple animal raising and later on you can have your restaurant. You will use the animals that you raise in your restaurant. You can process foods. So in a small beginning, you can have it as a big business. It needs careful planning just like any family project or any entrepreneurial activity. Planning means thinking ahead of what one expects to do to ensure that things are done in a systematic manner and that goals or objectives are realized. So in everything that we do, we need a careful planning of it. Raising animals is not a joke. So we must prepare and plan for it. So planning a successful backyard poultry or fish pond, even if it is just a backyard poultry or fish pond, we need to plan. So first is my backyard suit for the project? So if you think if your backyard is too small and it is near to other houses, so it's not suitable to raise poultry or fish pond. If it is full poultry, the smell is not good, and later on you can have problem with your neighborhood. Next is how much money do I need for the capital? So raising animals, you need to invest not just place, not just housing, but also the money to buy animals and foods. So you have to think at least the maximum amount of money that you need to start. Are the needed materials and supplies available? So are the supplies available? If you raise chicken, is there an available feeds in the market, in your residence, or in your city? So you need to think that. You need to think of it, because if there's no available food for poultry raising, what should you do? Number four is, do I have sufficient knowledge and skill in animal raising? So before you raise animals, at least you have the basic knowledge. What are what should or what are the foods that you need to give while the chickens are growing? So what are their basic necessities? So you must have at least basic knowledge and skills before you start backyard poultry or fish pond. Number five, what possible problems will I encounter and how will I solve them? So at least you you need you need to think ahead of time with the possible problems in raising poultry. For example, too much heat. The temperature is so hot. So what are you going to do? So that is just a common problem in poultry raising, the temperature. Next is, are the experts in animal raising whom I can ask for advice? Are there experts in animal raising whom can I ask for advice? So at least you should know a veterinarian that you can ask what are you going to do if there are a rising problem or you will encounter problems in raising poultry or raising chickens or etc.